Hello and welcome back to My Carolina Homestead. My name is Michelle and today we're making a no-bake lemon bar recipe. It's light, creamy, and delicious. This recipe is going to start off by using 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I am making a sugar-free recipe. If you wanted this to be low carb and completely sugar-free, you could substitute regular graham crackers for sugar-free graham crackers, or you can make them yourself using an almond flour recipe. Now I'm going to melt 6 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of packed brown sugar to the graham cracker crumbs. Now I'm just going to pour that melted butter in there with the graham cracker crumbs and the brown sugar, and I'm going to mix this together really well. Now I have a baking dish. This is an 8x8 baking dish, and I have it lined with parchment paper going both ways. And now I'm just going to pour that breadcrumb mixture in there and then press it down. And that's going to be our graham cracker crust for our lemon bars. Once that's pressed in all nice and evenly, it's going to be time to make our filling. So I'm starting off with 2 blocks of cream cheese, and these have been sitting out at room temperature. And I'm just going to put those in the bowl, and next I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of powdered stevia. Now I did end up adding a couple tablespoons more just to sweeten it up a little bit. And I'm just going to mix these together with my hand mixer. I want to mix this really well and make sure the stevia gets incorporated throughout all of that cream cheese before I add anything else. Now I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of plain whole milk Greek yogurt. This has been sitting out at room temperature. Now I'm going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of homemade vanilla extract. If you'd like to learn how to make your own homemade vanilla extract, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video of that for you. To make this extra delicious and lemony, I'm going to zest 1 lemon and add that to the mixture. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Actually, I think I added 2 to this just to make it nice and lemony. Now I'm just going to mix all these together really well before I add the last ingredient, which is heavy whipping cream. I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream that I'm going to add in increments and just incorporate that with the hand mixer until all of the filling is completely combined and creamy, as you can see there. And now I'm just going to spread this out on top of this graham cracker crust and then smooth it out nice and even. And to finish this off, I'm going to let this chill overnight. You can let it go for about 10 hours, but it's best if you let it chill overnight. First of all, for the flavors to incorporate and develop, but then also for the filling to sort of firm up. The next day, you can pull this right out of your baking dish and cut those bars into the size that you choose. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's delicious, it's perfect for spring, and it's super simple to make. Thank you so much for stopping by my Carolina homestead today. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell for videos coming out soon. See you next time and take care.